Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Salim's Recipes YouTube channel. Today I will prepare a healthy and delicious dish for you. I cleaned the ends of the fresh green beans, washed them well, and chopped them. I also cut the low-fat beef into cubes. Look at the beauty of the meat, friends. This will be a wonderful dish just for those who love meat with vegetables. Among our ingredients, we also have red bell pepper, 1 large onion, and 2 carrots. Also, I had a tomato sauce that I prepared and boiled once on Friday. I will use that too. If you cannot consume this sauce within a few days, definitely put it in the freezer. This way it will last up to 6 months, even 1 year. I also had some potato stew waiting in the fridge. I will make use of that too. As for my green beans, they are quite fresh. I chose the small ones. This way, they will cook easily and also be much softer and tastier. I am chopping the onion. It should be neither too thin nor too thick. Bean-sized is enough. I divide the carrots lengthwise into 3, then chop them with a chef's cut. Tack, tack, tack. Done. I also split the red peppers in half, remove the seeds, then cut them into cubes. I start the cooking process with the meat because meat takes a little longer to cook than beans. First, I rinse it with boiling water. Then I put it into the pot, add boiling water, and boil it for a while. When it reaches the boiling point, I drain the meat and take it out. Now I add a little vegetable oil into a wide cooking pan. Let it start heating. I put the chopped ingredients into the pan. Altogether, they look very colorful. The key point when cooking, to keep the colors vibrant, definitely do not add cold water. I put the meat into the pressure cooker, add boiling water over it, and leave it to cook for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I saute the ingredients in the pan for about 7 minutes. I, I stir occasionally and let it sit a bit so that it becomes more flavorful. When the sautéing is finished, I add the salt and spices. Salt, sugar, vegetable seasoning, garlic powder, red pepper powder, and black pepper. I stir, then add the tomato sauce. I also add its boiling water, but not too much, because I will add the broth from the meat as well. Finally, I add a little soy sauce. When there are 10 minutes left for the meat to cook, the preparations are complete. When the time is up, I add the meat with its broth into the dish. If you do not have time, you can also put the ingredients into the pressure cooker and cook for 25 minutes. That will also be enough. Now I spread the potato stew in a wide oven tray. On top, I add the green beans with meat and put it into the oven. We will cook until the top is browned. Yes, the top of our dish has browned. Now it is ready to serve. With bulgur pilaf, lentil soup, or chicken soup, it will be a perfect menu. Yes, friends, today we made a wonderful fresh green beans with meat recipe together. If you liked my recipe, don't forget to give a like to the video, write your comments, and subscribe to my channel. See you in new recipes. Bon appetit in advance.